Bitcoin is getting stuck under $110,000. The 100% rate whale has added to their position. And we've got a few interesting economic data points coming out today, but this is going to be a really quick one. So first of all, this is that whale that this is on Hyperbot. If you go to completed trades, they're the 100% win rate whale. It's a tongue twister. They added Hype, which is Hyperliquid, to their position here, 5x long, $6 million position. They've also added a bit to the Bitcoin. It's now at $130 million that they've got at 13x long on Bitcoin. They've added 15x long on their Ethereum that they've got there. They're currently down a bit on pretty much across the board on all of that, but they're not near their liquidation levels yet. So that's interesting that we're just seeing this whale. I've been tracking this one very closely. Like if they close this one out for a loss, I think I'm probably going to walk away depending on what the price of Bitcoin is at the time. But that's a little I know that's not a great strategy, but that would make me very nervous if this this whale that seems to have been able to time everything perfectly back and forth constantly suddenly takes a loss. I would assume that they're an insider and something's coming and they're aware. Of course, I'd be consulting the Bitcoin chart first before doing anything, but it'd be concerning if that were to happen. So gonna watch that one carefully. Gonna watch that one real close. So today we've got ISM manufacturing. This should come out. We'll see. And that's, we got two Feds speaking. Auto sales comes out. Manufacturing PMI comes out. Those will be, the ISM is gonna be really important. That crypto plays off that. Anyways, Bitcoin, it's still stuck in this range. Okay, now this could be a coil. Now with this double bottom. All right, here let me draw on screen here. So the double bottom here, that played out to perfection up to the top. It seemed to fail the inverted head and shoulders. Let me bring this back here. It seemed to fail the inverted head and shoulders. Tried to go up and then came right back down. Now that could turn itself into a double bottom and then find itself back up at 116. As soon as we get above 116, 117, there's a whole bunch of liquidation levels right there. Like a lot of shorts get liquidated about 116, 117. So we see that it should pop right back up to all-time highs quickly. So we're kind of looking for that on Bitcoin right now. I don't love this price action over the weekend. We got these, I can't remember what it's called. It's like 3-something soldiers. We got that right here, boom, and then immediately engulfed all three of them. That sucks. That's really bad. We need to see some bullish action out of Bitcoin quickly. Very quickly to continue to stay on board with this thing. It's got to hold $100,000. That's really a big mark. I really don't want to see it lose 106. There will be some significant liquidation levels there. And if we go out to like a weekly real quick, we're looking at what could end up becoming something of a head and shoulders. There it is again. That would take us all the way down to about $80,000. That would suck really bad. One thing that's got me interested and also a little bit nervous is that all the Bitcoin miners, if you look on the right side of the screen here, they're all up significantly this morning. Look, IREN's up 20%. What even happened? Did they have earnings? They have earnings today in the evening. So does somebody know something? Because 20% for IREN, 22% for Cypher. Oh, they had their earnings already? No, wait, was it in the morning? It was in the morning. That's why. Cypher's doing well, so IREN is also running off of that news. Core Z also up. Everything's up. Everything's up significantly this morning. So that's interesting here right now. It has me a little bit nervous. I feel like it'll probably bleed off in the morning. I can't believe IREN's up another 20%. Like 20% on this thing is huge. It's at $73. It's going to go above this. As soon as it gets above 74, it's going to hit 100. So paying attention to that real carefully. Anyways, I just want to do a quick update. The 100% win rate whale has added to their position. Watching that one very, very closely. Watching that line in the sand around 106,000 on Bitcoin extremely closely. We're at that do or die moment. We need to move or we will fail kind of situation. Miners are popping off this morning. Things are a little wild. So again, I would like to stress this is the time period to have a strategy for it going up as well as it going down. All right. We need to have a strategy for taking profit and a strategy for stopping loss. You must have that now in place. If you have not thought about that, you need to decide now. You do not have time. You do not have the luxury of sitting around waiting a few more weeks and be like, in a few weeks I'll make a plan. No. Honestly, if you don't have a plan, stop watching right now and go make a plan. All right, go bring up your own charts, set your own levels, and say, all right, these are the areas where I will take profit, and these are the areas where I will stop the loss. I will stop the bleeding. You must do that. Go do it immediately if you have not done it yet. This is the time that we don't have the luxury of thinking we'll do something later right now. So go do that. I've already done that, and I'm watching very closely. It is a little fluid, right? It's a little dynamic. Like, okay, I'm like in this range. Yeah, I'm going to be thinking things are done. And on the way up, I have the levels where I'm going to be taking my profits. Anyways, that's all I've got for you today. Go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. It does so much to help the channel. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I know everything's like super Bitcoin and crypto miner focused lately, which some people really enjoy, I'm sure. There will be a little bit less of that once the year is over, once the cycle is done, and I'll be doing a lot more things like income machine again. I'll be doing a lot more tools of the trade, things like that, because there will be a lot less to talk about in the crypto space here for a while as soon as the cycle is over. We're going to do a little shifting, a little moving. We're going to make a lot of money next year, I think. Even though I do think there will be some significant drawdowns, I think we're going to do well. Anyways, with that said, have a profitable day.